Hello Primes! I just want to start this video with a disclaimer. I know I may seem cheery and happy, but deep down I'm actually very depressed after what happened between me and someone else. But I just want you to know that if somebody seems happy and cheery, they're probably not. They're probably depressed or something like that. Because in this world, is anybody really happy? Like, it wouldn't make sense, not in this world. Speaking of other worlds, on to the topic. What a lot of people want to know is GTA and Red Dead in the same universe? Yes, they are. Now you can ask any Rockstar employee, any executive who works there, are they in the same universe? They're going to tell you no, they are not. But the thing is, they don't know the difference between a universe and a timeline. I don't blame them, it's confusing. Now, yes, they are in the same universe, but they take place in different timelines. In other words, rather than being two completely different universes, everything's different, not the same thing happened, they do take place in the same timeline, meaning that something happened and one way went the Red Dead way, the other way went the GTA way. It's not even getting to the confusing part yet. Now, what really backs this up is in Franklin's house, in two locations in his house, you'll find a book titled Red Dead by Jack Marsden. It's not John Marsden. He, as literate as he is, he's not the type that would write a book. Who it is Jack Marsden, his son. Now, why would Jack write a story about this? He wants to tell the story of a bounty hunter who, inevitably, finds the man who killed his father. It's a very cliche-ridden story, but in one timeline, Jack becomes a bounty hunter and hunts for the man who killed his father. In the other timeline, the GTA timeline, Jack immediately becomes a writer instead, and instead writes about his experiences from the Vanderlyn gang and up to the point of writing the story. Whatever he remembers from the Vanderlyn gang, he was like 4. Now, what really sets this off is whatever caused the timeline to split had to happen in the early 1600s. Proof being that New York was founded in 1624. Now, in the Red Dead universe, it's called New York, but in the GTA universe, it's called Liberty City. That's kind of a clusterfuck. In the Red Dead universe, they went the route of calling it New York, though it's a different timeline from our timeline, and let's not get into that. But anyway, so they have kept the name New York. But in 1624, in the GTA universe, somebody thought, why would we want to call it New York? Let's just leave Old York behind, and we'll call this place Liberty City. In other words, they had the same idea, that city literally being the basis for liberty. So the person who proposed the idea of calling it Liberty City was taken upon, and they named the city Liberty City. Whatever happened in the Red Dead universe did happen, or timeline rather, did happen in the GTA timeline, but differently. It didn't happen exactly the same, but yes, it did happen. And by that logic, in the timeline of the Red Dead universe, if you fast forwarded from 1911 to 2013, for instance, Yes, there is a bank called Union Depository in a city called Los Santos. However, it's actually called Los Angeles, and the bank is called something else, and it is robbed by 3 people. Nobody knows who these 3 people are in either timeline. But who knows, maybe in the Red Dead timeline, those bank robbers are caught. In the GTA timeline, those bank robbers are Michael, Trevor, and Franklin. Granted, they also have the lackeys and stuff, but still. In the GTA timeline, everything that happened in 1899, in 1911, in 1914, it all happened differently. Jack Marsden went on to write a book called Red Dead instead of becoming a bounty hunter. If this confuses you, I really don't blame you. This is confusing. So, yeah, if it really doesn't make any sense, I'm just trying to clarify. And the reason I'm using my computer is because I forgot my cord for my phone, so I ain't able to hook it up. I can't. Yeah, that happens a lot. I guess that's it for this topic, but not it for the video. I was gonna do a reaction video, me reacting to a funny video, but my computer in its infinite wisdom did not work. It doesn't understand the concept of multiple apps. But at least I can record on my computer, so I might upload a thing or two from that. So, yeah. If there's anything that really you want clarification on in the GTA universe, the Red Dead universe, Transformers even, or anything like that, just let me know and I will definitely make it clearer.